Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Lulu. Can 5mm wheel spacers solve the clearance problems? Let's see.
In terms of the look, 5mm wheel spacers don't make a difference, but they do have positive effects on handling and performance. For those who plan on keeping the factory wheels and want to add larger brake calipers, wheel spacer will be a very useful solution. They increase the clearance between the wheel and the brake.
The lightweight plus of bonus wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. Compared with the previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. The reducing unsprung weight helps the vehicle suspension system work more effectively.
In most cases, 5mm wheel spacers are enough for clearing the rubbing issues. They are subtle and don't hurt anything.
BONOSS has over 10 years of professional design and manufacturing experience. We have sufficient inventory to ensure faster delivery. OEM and ODM is available. BONOSS wheel spacers provide higher performance, more additional functions, faster customized service, which is your best choice. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.